Welcome, today a friend of me, VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the screen record and settings, and to do that we should open notification panel, and here we should find the screen recording icon. If you have now this icon on notification panel, you should add it from here, from this down section. For example, you'll have it here. Just add it to your notification panel, tap to done, and to launch the system settings, just open the hold for a while the icon, and after that you can see here the record sound section. Click here to the system audio, and you can switch it to the microphone if you want to command something. Also you can use system audio and microphone sound together, or just you can click here to on just to record mode video, or just you can stay with the system audio. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.